Hello and welcome to our day number 22 of our letters challenge for February 2019. Today we are lettering breath is life. Enjoy the process and breathe. For this lettering I want to do a layout like a galaxy, so I will be using white ink, black ink, some brushes, washi tape, you will see why in a minute. My brush, this is a number 10, a black marker, but I did change this marker for one blue, you will see it later. Watercolors, I am choosing colors in blues, yellow, green, light blue and pink to make some effects. Clean water, and of course we need watercolor paper because this absorbs the water better. This is one from Van Gogh and this is very nice. And this is the idea of the layout I want to recreate. So the letter will be in the center in white, so in a white space that I will be doing with the washi tapes. Let's do this, have fun. I will be covering some spaces of the layout with washi tape because I don't want to have color on this, because here I will be writing the quote for today. Breath is life. So we are making this space here. And to do the galaxy effect, we are using the watercolor technique that is called wet on wet. Is just you need to make wet the paper, and then with the colors you will see the beautiful effect that this create. I will start adding the color yellow and then the blue, and then I will be going to add more colors and more colors and more color, letting some spaces more clear and some others more darker. When the color blue is totally dry, I will add the color black to make more effects of a night galaxy. So enjoy the process, you will see how I do it, and maybe you can follow me while I am doing or after I am finished. Have fun. Now that my background is completely dry, I will remove the washi tape and write the quote. I use a brush marker color blue. Now we are adding some stars to make it more beautiful and shiny, and to make the effect that the breath really gives you the opportunity to expand like the universe. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments. I am happy to read you always, and thank you for your support and for being here. Have a great day. Bye.